differentiate y is equal to x cubed times 3x squared minus 4 using the product rule. So we've got y is equal to x cubed times 3x squared minus 4. So this is of the type y is equal to uv. And notice I've used a little bit of colour here to help you understand. So I'm going to let u be equal to x cubed and a v be equal to 3x squared minus 4. Now, for the product rule, it doesn't matter which way round you let these be. So if u is equal to x cubed, if you differentiate it, you're going to get 3x squared. And then if v is 3x squared minus 4, if you differentiate that, you're just going to get 6x. Right, then write down the product rule. So dy by dx, by writing it down, you will get to learn it. So it will be u dv by dx plus v du by dx. So that's going to be u, which is x cubed, times dv by dx, which is 6x, times v, which is 3x squared minus 4, so plus 3x squared minus 4, notice my use of brackets here, times du by dx, which is 3x squared. Right, I'm just going to rewrite this slowly. Now note clearly how I'm going to rewrite this. This is going to be 6x to the 4th. And this will be 3x squared times 3x squared minus 4. Right, the next step is to look for common factors. And this is a bit that students find difficult. So you need to look for the highest common factor. So if we look at 6x to the 4 and 3x squared, we can see there is a common factor of 3x squared. So we'll take that out. And then here we're just going to be left with 2x squared. Look, 3x squared times 2x squared makes 6x to the 4. Here that disappears, but we've still got 3x squared minus 4. And then 2x squared plus 3x squared makes 5x squared minus 4, which is the final answer. So this has been a video to show you how to differentiate a function here using the product rule. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.